standing in a transition zone?
Box trees and melaleuca mixed in some eucalyptus alba, perhaps, and pandanus, yes, with an understory of grasses. And then we come here into a melaleuca woodland as a sort of transition. And then as the melaleuca canopy opens a bit, we've got a zone of less abundant Eliocharis, and then that is adjacent to a very thick cover of Eliocharis. Ready? It's really thick.
So that just
And just rip that off, yeah. Right, so that can just go in the bottom of the bag. Perfect. So now the first thing is to pick the quadrat, where we're going to put the first quadrat. So now how are we going to do that, do you think? Random? Yeah. Testing? Yeah. Yeah, go for it.
great for it.
Go around picking the nice juicy quadrats with lots of vegetation in them, because that's not representative. Yeah. So actually, this story, this terrific story about non-random sampling, it's a true story. Right down to the soil, 1, 2. Testing, yeah, so just get that edge. From around the edge, and you try and keep that nice clean, like you think you're sampling a nice clean cube of water in a sense, but because everything's floating, there's that risk of bringing extra material in and overestimating the abundance of vegetation in that pot. So I think just with a pair of secateurs, the other hand, maybe if we had another person, so this could almost be a four-person job, someone holding the bag, someone doing that, but I think probably because you need that sort of, well, actually no, we've done the mate. Interested in perhaps the phenology of this plant, you might be interested to know when is there the most live biomass. So it sort of depends what question you're asking as to how you handle your samples. right. Just bag it up and one in each bag. Yep. Get the wet one. This one's got the gram scale, so they're each worth 50 grams.
This is top or bottom you go down?
At the top.